got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you.
All right, everybody, welcome to our life in the Philippines on this day, 14th of February. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day,
everybody.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Hope everybody has a really good time. This is just going to be a short little video around Valentine's, so it won't be a long one, so stick through to the end on it.
Yeah.
We did go out this morning. It's about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I'd say, and we go out this morning for a little ride, and we did some vlogging around the market in Andoer. So I will put out a separate video for that, but probably not today. It will be maybe Sunday or Monday. But we did get our little tools.
Yeah, he buy me this one today.
Yeah, it's not much, but
Yeah.
it tells you Happy Valentine's Day. I love you.
And then flowers. You can see there's a flowers over there.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see
Yeah.
it.
It's a simple gift.
Simple gift, Happy Valentine's, and we wish you all also Happy Valentine's. If you have a Valentine's, make sure you take her out. I took mine out, but it was for McDonald's today.
Yeah, I'm happy. It's a simple celebration. We don't need to go in the luxury restaurant.
No.
It's a simple celebration, and you say I love you, Happy Valentine's. That's okay.
That's what counts.
Yeah.
Actually, how you.
When you wake up in the morning and then you always say to your partner, I love you and good morning and Happy Valentine's Day.
Yep. And let every day be a Valentine's
Yeah.
Day.
Don't
Not
forget
just
to,
once a year. Okay?
Yeah, don't forget to say I love you to your partner.
Right.
That's the most important when you wake up in the morning.
All right, and we actually went to the market, so I'm going to put a short little clip in. Alright, so did a little surprise stop here. My wife says, we can get it later. We can get it later. I'm saying, let's get it now. She's worth it. And my point is, if you're out there, out and about today, leaving home this morning, especially in the United States, make sure you pick something up and bring it home. Or take your lady out for a little dinner on Valentine's Day. And if you do not have a special Valentine, just bring a friend and go out and enjoy yourself. Alright guys, that was a little preview of what's coming. We did actually quite a long walk.
Yeah, we're walking today.
Up in Andoer. Yeah, I'm happy I can walk again. The gout has been killing me here over the last couple of months, but today I feel actually really good. So did a little walk, and you'll have that video coming out either Sunday or Monday.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Yeah, we're gonna try to schedule our videos so there will be at least one video daily, and we just released one. As a matter of fact, we released one this morning.
The one on Severa?
No,
motor vlog.
There was
That's a motor vlog.
we had a little motor vlog because we discovered on Google Maps that there's a different route to Mabalacat, so I just put that short video out. It's 10 minutes or so, and it's a little longer, a little further distance, but it saves a lot of time, especially if you're located in the Balibago, Diamond, in that area around Angeles. It saves you time. I have to travel down through Dao to get to it, but you shoot up to Mabalacat in 5 minutes maybe?
Yeah, 5 minutes.
Or so. So take a peek at that video. I have a link to it in the upper corner, that corner there. On that little information button, you click the I or information button, and you will see some videos there and some playlists and other things we have for you. All right, we're wrapping this on up, and again, happy Valentine's Day, and bye bye.
See, this one.
Oh, is that the Korean sign?
No, Korean is like this.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Korean.
That's a little harder right there.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again.